Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can add payment method on the Meesho app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to click open your Meesho app. So once your app gets open, you will be redirected to its homepage where you can select any of the item and add it to the cart. Now just go on your account and click the add to cart option. Here you need to select the item and press continue. So now you can get the options of payment where you can choose any of the payment methods preferred. So as we have chosen net banking, we can select a bank from which you want to pay the price of the product. Select a bank of your choice and click on the select option. So after your selection, you need to press on continue and press on the pay now option. So now after you click on pay now, your payment will be processed and the bank page will be loaded. So once it is done, you will be redirected to the bank online payment method where you need to log in and complete the payment. So this is how you add payment method on Meesho. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.